Hello and welcome to English Aura. Are you ready to learn the 100 most common English verbs? In this lesson, you will discover 100 essential verbs that native speakers use every day in conversations, at school, at work, and in daily life. For each verb, you will learn its meaning, see a simple example, and practice the pronunciation. To help you remember everything more easily, we will stop after every 10 verbs for a quick review. This means you are not just memorizing words, you're actually learning how to understand and use them in real English. If you are a beginner, this lesson can dramatically improve your vocabulary, and if you are an intermediate learner, it will help you strengthen the foundation of your English. In fact, this video is a true treasure for every English learner because these 100 verbs are among the most important words in the entire English language. So stay until the end, practice with me, and let's build your English vocabulary step by step. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Word 1. Be. Be means to exist or to be. Example, I am happy. Repeat after me. I am happy. Word 2. Have. Have means to own or possess something. Example, I have a car. Repeat after me. I have a car. Word 3. Do. Do means to perform an action or task. Example, I do my homework. Repeat after me. I do my homework. Word 4. Say. Say means to speak or express words. Example, she says hello. Repeat after me. She says hello. Word 5. Go. Go means to move from one place to another. Example, they go to school. Repeat after me. They go to school. Word 6. Get. Get means to receive or obtain something. Example, I get a gift. Repeat after me. I get a gift. Word 7. Make. Make means to create or produce something. Example, she makes a cake. Repeat after me. She makes a cake. Word 8. Know. Know means to have information or understanding. Example, I know the answer. Repeat after me. I know the answer. Word 9. Think. Think means to use your mind to form ideas. Example, I think about my future. Repeat after me. I think about my future. Word 10. Take. Take means to pick up or carry something. Example, he takes his bag. Repeat after me. He takes his bag.
Excellent work! Today you learned 10 common English verbs: be, have, do, say, go, get, make, know, think, and take. Practice these verbs every day and try to use them in your own sentences. In the next lesson, we will learn 10 more useful English verbs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and continue learning with English Aura. See you in the next lesson.
See. See means to notice or look at something with your eyes. Example, I see a bird. Repeat after me. I see a bird. See. I see a bird. Come. Come means to move toward a person or place. Example, come here, please. Repeat after me. Come here, please. Come. Come here, please. Want. Want means to wish for or desire something. Example, I want a new bike. Repeat after me. I want a new bike. Want. I want a new bike. Word 14. Look. Look means to direct your eyes toward something. Example, look at the sky. Repeat after me. Look at the sky. Look. Look at the sky. Word 15. Use. Use means to employ something for a purpose. Example, I use a computer. Repeat after me. I use a computer. Use. I use a computer. Word 16. Find. Find means to discover or locate something. Example, I find my keys. Repeat after me. I find my keys. Find. I find my keys. Word 17. Give. Give means to hand or provide something to someone. Example, I give her a flower. Repeat after me. I give her a flower. Give. I give her a flower. Word 18. Tell. Tell means to give information or speak to someone. Example, she tells a story. Repeat after me. She tells a story. Tell. She tells a story. Word 20. Work. Work means to do a job or perform tasks. Example, he works in an office. Repeat after me. He works in an office. Work. He works in an office. Word 21. Call. Call means to telephone someone or speak to them from a distance. Example, I call my friend. Repeat after me. I call my friend. Call. I call my friend. Great job. Now let's review the verbs we learned today. See. I see a bird. Come. Come here, please. Want. I want a new bike. Look. Look at the sky. Use. I use a computer. Find. I find my keys. Give. I give her a flower. Tell. She tells a story. Work. He works in an office. Call. I call my friend. Let's say them one more time. See. Come. Want. Look. Use. Find. Give. Tell. Work. Call. Excellent! You have learned 10 more common English verbs. Keep practicing every day and you'll improve your English faster. Are you ready for the next 10 verbs? Let's continue learning. Word 21. Try. Try means to make an effort to do something. Example, I try to learn English. Repeat after me. I try to learn English. Try. I try to learn English. Word 22. Ask. Ask means to request information or help. Example, I ask a question. Repeat after me. I ask a question. Ask. I ask a question. Word 23. Need. Need means to require something because it is important or necessary. Example, I need water. Repeat after me. I need water. Need. I need water. Word 24. Feel. Feel means to experience an emotion or physical sensation. Example, I feel happy. Repeat after me. I feel happy. Feel. I feel happy. Word 25. Become. Become means to start to be something or change into something. Example, she becomes a doctor. Repeat after me. She becomes a doctor. Become. She becomes a doctor. Word 26. Leave. Leave means to go away from a place. Example, I leave the house. Repeat after me. I leave the house. Leave. I leave the house. Word 27. Put. Put means to place something in a particular position. Example, I put the book on the table. Repeat after me. I put the book on the table. Put. I put the book on the table. Word 28. Mean. Mean means to have a particular meaning. Example, what does this word mean? Repeat after me. What does this word mean? Mean. What does this word mean? Word 29. Keep. Keep means to continue having or holding something. Example, Keep your phone safe. Repeat after me. Keep your phone safe. Keep. Keep your phone safe. Word 30. Let. Let means to allow someone to do something. Example, let me help you. Repeat after me. Let me help you. Let. Let me help you.
Excellent work. Let's review the 10 verbs you just learned. Try. I try to learn English. Ask. I ask a question. Need. I need water. Feel. I feel happy. Become. She becomes a doctor. Leave. I leave the house. Put. I put the book on the table. Mean. What does this word mean? Keep. Keep your phone safe. Let. Let me help you. Now let's say the verbs one more time. Try. Ask. Need. Feel. Become. Leave. Put. Mean. Keep. Let. Great job! You have now learned 30 common English verbs. Let's continue with the next 10 verbs. Begin. Begin means to start something. Example, the class begins now. Repeat after me. The class begins now. Begin. The class begins now. Word 32, help. Help means to assist someone. Example, I help my friend. Repeat after me. I help my friend. Help. I help my friend. Word 33, talk. Talk means to speak with someone. Example, they talk every day. Repeat after me. They talk every day. Talk. They talk every day. Word 34, turn. Turn means to change direction or move around. Example, turn left here. Repeat after me. Turn left here. Turn. Turn left here. Word 35, start. Start means to begin doing something. Example, I start my homework. Repeat after me. I start my homework. Start. I start my homework. Word 36, show. Show means to let someone see something. Example, show me your book. Repeat after me. Show me your book. Show. Show me your book. Word 37, hear. Hear means to receive sounds through your ears. Example, I hear music. Repeat after me. I hear music. Hear. I hear music. Word 38, play. Play means to take part in a game or have fun. Example, the children play soccer. Repeat after me. The children play soccer. Play. The children play soccer. Word 39, run. Run means to move quickly on foot. Example, the boy runs fast. Repeat after me. The boy runs fast. Run. The boy runs fast. Word 40, move. Move means to change position or go from one place to another. Example, move the chair. Repeat after me. Move the chair. Move. Move the chair. Excellent work! Let's review the 10 verbs you just learned. Begin. The class begins now. Help. I help my friend. Talk. They talk every day. Turn. Turn left here. Start. I start my homework. Show. Show me your book. Hear. I hear music. Play. The children play soccer. Run. The boy runs fast. Move. Move the chair. Now let's say the verbs one more time. Begin. Help. Talk. Turn. Start. Show. Hear. Play. Run. Move. Great job!
You have now learned 40 common verbs. Let's continue with the next 10 verbs. Word 41. Live. Live means to have your home in a place. Example, I live in a big city. Repeat after me. I live in a big city. Live. I live in a big city. Word 42. Believe. Believe means to think that something is true. Example, I believe in myself. Repeat after me. I believe in myself. Believe. I believe in myself. Word 43. Bring. Bring means to carry or take something to a person or place. Example, please bring your book. Repeat after me. Please bring your book. Bring. Please bring your book. Word 44. Write. Write means to form letters or words on a paper or a screen. Example, I write a letter. Repeat after me. I write a letter. Write. I write a letter. Word 45. Sit. Sit means to rest on a chair or seat. Example, please sit down. Repeat after me. Please sit down. Sit. Please sit down. Word 46. Stand. Stand means to be on your feet in an upright position. Example, please stand up. Repeat after me. Please stand up. Stand. Please stand up. Word 47. Lose. Lose means to no longer have something because you cannot find it. Example, I lose my keys. Repeat after me. I lose my keys. Lose. I lose my keys. Word 48. Pay. Pay means to give money for something. Example, I pay for my lunch. Repeat after me. I pay for my lunch. Pay. I pay for my lunch. Word 49. Meet. Meet means to see and talk to someone for the first time or by arrangement. Example, I meet a new friend. Repeat after me. I meet a new friend. Meet. I meet a new friend. Word 50. Include. Include means to have something as part of a group or set. Example, the box includes a book. Repeat after me. The box includes a book. Include. The box includes a book. Excellent work! Let's review the 10 verbs you just learned. Live. I live in a big city. Believe. I believe in myself. Bring. Please bring your book. Write. I write a letter. Sit. Please sit down. Stand. Please stand up. Lose. I lose my keys. Pay. I pay for my lunch. Meet. I meet a new friend. Include. The box includes a book. Now let's say the verbs one more time. Live. Believe. Bring. Write. Sit. Stand. Lose. Pay. Meet. Include. Fantastic! You have now learned 50 common English verbs. You are halfway to learning 100 common English verbs. Let's continue with the next 10 verbs.